This is the worm gear calculator for ratio and efficiency, which calculates gear ratios, mechanical efficiency, and self-locking status for worm gear systems. Let's look at the 4 input fields. First, we have number of worm starts Z1, where you enter the number of thread starts on your worm shaft. Next is number of wheel teeth Z2 for the total teeth on your worm wheel. Then we need the lead angle L in degrees, which is the angle between the worm thread and a plane perpendicular to the worm axis. Finally, enter the friction angle F in degrees, representing the angle of friction between the worm and wheel surfaces. For our example, I'll enter 1 for number of worm starts, 40 for number of wheel teeth, 4.5 degrees for lead angle, and 6.0 degrees for friction angle. After clicking Calculate Worm Gear Parameters, we get 3 key results. The gear ratio is 40:1, meaning the worm must rotate 40 times for one wheel rotation. The mechanical efficiency is 42.5%, indicating how much input power transfers to output. The self-locking status shows self-locking, meaning the gear cannot be back-driven. Find the link in the description below.